What is up, Nana Gang? As y'all can see, I got some new hair. Yes, I'm feeling the plum. You see it? It's the plum color. And this is a quick, easy, simple wig. So this video is just gonna show you how you could get this look for $30. My God, $30. Quick, simple, and easy. And you know, oh. But yeah, so stay tuned and I'm show you how you can easily apply this for this look.
Everybody say it like, oh, na 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 na. Everybody say,
okay, so this wig is from the beauty supply store. Okay, yes, honey. Beauty supply store. It is by Brown Sugar and it is a human hairstyle mix. This is the color Style BS120 in the color Plum. Okay, gives you a, you know, a little cute little I don't know how to describe it, but it gives you that little cute little fun girl shortcut look, you know. And the color is like, it's really cute. I really like it. Like, I don't know. And this is really good for like a little cheap little wig. You just need something to throw on real quick. You don't feel like doing your hair like me. Okay, but yeah, the hair is great. I love the style. Let me turn around so you guys can see how it is in the back. And yeah, so this wig is not a lace wig. It's just a simple put on wig. It does not come with clips. And the part, it was like in the, like, I don't know, in the middle or something. But you can put it however you want. In the video, you'll see me, you know, adjusting it or whatever.
I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Brody, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. They dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the jam. Certified, you know I'm gang.
beautiful, beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that
I really love the style of the wig. It's really, you know, it's cute for a little, you know, little something throw on real quick. Okay, something throw out. But yeah.
I fell in love, and that's okay, 'cause I'm in love. We in that bed, give me head.
So tell me how you guys like it. Do you like the look? Is it a bop or is it a flop?
Oh, na na na.